Jai Srimanarayana. 34th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi बलवत् दृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम् ॐ Realize that mind is restless, turbulent and very strong. But you should also realize that it is more difficult to control, but it is not impossible to control. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall realize that it is more difficult to control mind, but it is not impossible to control. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham 6th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. In that process, Parikshin Narendra asking, 'O Yogindra, while listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine stories, I am not even feeling any kind of hunger, thirst, and also I don't have any kind of fear of death now. That is why, can you please tell me in detail about all Krishna Paramatma's divine stories?" Like that, when Parikshin Narendra asking, then Sri Sukha Yogindra started telling about Krishna divine stories. कृष्णचरितं कलिकल्मषघ्नं व्याहर्तुम् आरभत. Sri Krishna Paramatma stories, which can remove all kind of Kali doshas, which can remove all kind of troubles caused by Kali Yugam. Those stories now Sri Sukha Yogindra getting ready to tell about all those stories. He is saying that, "Oh Raja, now you are showing so much of interest in listening to Krishna Paramatma's stories. You are much captivated, attracted by Krishna Paramatma's stories. That means your mind is now stable and fixed in Bhakti Yogam. In fact, this interest in listening to Krishna Paramatma Srimannarayana stories, that interest itself is the main purpose, main goal of human life. That interest itself and listening to Paramatma stories itself can release all human beings from the cycle of birth and death. Vasudeva katha prasnaha purusham strin punatihi vaktaram pruchakam shrotrun tatpada salilam yadha. As and how the water which came out from Srimannarayana's divine feet became Ganga and making the entire universe sacred, making all three worlds purified. That is how Krishna Paramatma's stories, those who have interest in listening to those stories, those who are narrating those stories, those who are listening to those stories, those who are inquiring, asking for those stories itself, Krishna Paramatma's divine miraculous activities and stories itself makes all these categorized people purified and sanctified, just like Ganga Jalam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 34th sloka. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavadrudham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavadrudham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.